Ready to take your crypto security to the next level? Let's move your assets from Exodus to your Ledger Nano X. First, ensure both your Exodus wallet and Ledger Nano X are updated to the latest versions. Open your Exodus wallet on your computer. Now, power on your Ledger Nano X and unlock it with your PIN. Navigate to the cryptocurrency app you want to transfer to. Open Ledger Live on your computer and connect your Ledger Nano X. Navigate to the Accounts section. Within Ledger Live, select the account for the cryptocurrency you are transferring, then click the Receive button. Ledger Live will generate a receiving address. Very important. Verify this address is also displayed on your Ledger Nano X screen. Confirm the address is correct. Return to your Exodus wallet. Navigate to the wallet for the cryptocurrency you're transferring. Click the Send button. Paste the receiving address copied from Ledger Live into the recipient address field in Exodus. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Double check everything. Confirm the recipient address and the amount you're sending are correct. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Click Send in Exodus. The transaction will be initiated. Allow some time for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Once confirmed, you'll see the cryptocurrency in your Ledger Live account. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your crypto from Exodus to your Ledger Nano X.